Tips to get rid of odors from your carpets. By Zenith Cleaning Services. You can get rid of bad unpleasant smells with the help of these things: baking soda, vinegar, lemon, hydrogen peroxide, tea tree oil, liquid dish soap, isopropyl alcohol. Baking soda. Baking soda produced by sodium carbonate, which has ability to remove everything in carpets and helps in carpet stain removal services. First step is to add baking soda into the basket of water, then apply it in the carpets and wash the carpet with water. After that, put the carpets outside under the sunlight. It will remove the bacteria and remaining organic compounds. Vinegar. Vinegar is a product which is highly acidic, which can kill bacteria fast while removing the unpleasant smells. For that, need 1 cup of vinegar and 3 cups of water, mixed well. Then put into the spray bottle, apply it to the carpet, then scrub the carpets with brush properly. After that, vacuum the carpet properly. Lemon. The strong odors can get rid of the acidity of the lemon. Firstly, have to mix lemon juice with hot water, then add it into the spray bottle and apply it into the carpet. Scrub it all over the carpet at least 15 minutes. After that, wash it with water, then vacuum the carpet properly. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a chemical can be used to carpet deep cleaning services. This chemical have to mix with baking soda, liquid dish soap, water, then added the mixture into the spray bottle, then apply the mixture to the carpet. Let it dry for 24 hours. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can be used as an air freshener and also known as a cleaning agent. Make a mixture by mixing water, tea tree oil and borax. Add mixture in a spray bottle and apply on the carpet, then scrub it properly. Later, leave it for 5 to 7 hours, then vacuum it properly. Liquid dish soap. Liquid dish soap easily finds in every house, so these help to remove odors from the carpets. Mix liquid dish soap with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. After that, apply the mixture on the carpet properly, then scrub it all over the carpet. Let it dry for at least 4 hours. Then vacuum it. Isopropyl alcohol. For the cleaning, firstly have to pour the isopropyl alcohol chemical into the carpet so that chemical can go to the deeper inside of the carpet, then have to wait for 15 minutes to 20 minutes, then can use a towel or sponge to soak the chemical, and also can use a fan or vacuum machine to dry the carpet fast. Hire professional carpet cleaning services experts. We are Zenith Cleaning Services, producing the special carpet deodorizing chemicals which can remove all odors within first spray. Our cheap carpet cleaning in Brisbane services will give best customer services, also calling the buyers to sell the products with us. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel to get more cleaning tips. You can also ask anything in comment box.